be doing the holiday train. It's like a gingerbread house with a train. Show them the picture.
We're not gonna. I don't want to do it like that though.
That's what you said earlier. It
I
looks
need the
cool.
placemat.
Because he wasn't gonna do it.
It's all was.
Okay, so start. Open it.
So we have.
I need a
icing.
placemat.
We have
I need a placemat, Mom.
this stuff.
Go get it. Okay, guys. So also today we are going to be announcing the winner, the 200 subscriber winner, and they're winning a Lit Family T-shirt. So we have wrote down the names of everybody who commented on that video, and we are going to be putting it in here, and they are going to picking out one winner. Meanwhile, they are doing that over there. I will be doing this.
What else do we have, Justin? What are these called? Gummies?
Yeah, they're like gummies.
What are these?
Little
Beads.
candy beads.
Candy
The
beads.
candy beads. What the hell?
Candy
What is this?
Icy.
Yeah, they're like candy little beads.
Icy.
What is this, bruh?
We have the cookies to draw the stuff on. The most struggling part is to put the train together.
How do you know?
Hopefully it sticks.
Because we did it last year.
Yeah, last year, remember, it wouldn't stick?
I don't remember.
Well,
Last
'cause
year
we
they
didn't
kept
do
doing
it
the house and it
because
kept
you
falling
don't
apart.
Like doing stuff.
The frosting wouldn't.
Shut the
Make
be
it
quiet.
Because you don't.
Okay, so start.
So shut up.
The video.
Oh
Put
my
all the stuff right
goodness.
there.
Hey, we're putting all this. I put all the
Okay,
stuff
I'll
for
make
the Christmas color. That's nice.
What is this for? Christmas, obviously. Use your brain, kid.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna start
So there's no directions in here? Instructions? On what to do first?
Yeah, on the back.
Yeah, right here. Instructions.
No, give me that.
What? How does this? Justin.
Let him
Let
hold
him.
it.
Let him.
Justin, figure it out.
How does the train go? It goes the same heights?
like this.
No.
Those
If a train
Are you sure
faces-
you're giving him the right ones? Not that much.
are the only ones like that look like that.
Yeah, it's like that.
There's no other ones.
But look here, it has to be like
Mom,
on
you're
this
good
one.
at cracking stuff in half, right?
And then it says arrange base clips on plate or platter to form a rectangle. Do you guys want a plate?
No.
Yeah,
Or a platter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have this.
No. Here are the
Yikes.
instructions, guys. See? So they've done this part so far. Then they have sorted out this part.
Somewhere. I guess you can say we sold it.
So C, F, L, M are 4 little like corners
These?
of cookies.
No, not this.
What the?
So I'm assuming you have to crack those.
I'm not gonna be in charge of that.
Cut it.
You know what?
Make sure you cut it right because if not, you're gonna mess it up,
Yep. And guess who's gonna
and then it's gonna be ruined.
This
I
one
get-
looks
Cut it.
easier.
Cut it.
cut it?
I can't do it. I'm not gonna be in charge of that. Nala's in charge of that.
I'm in charge of it.
I'm in charge of everything. then.
Fernando's a perfectionist, so
Hey!
let Fernando.
Wait up. Move. Where you got to put
So
the
let
clips?
me show you guys
Calm down.
the
You have to put the
instructions.
clips.
Nando, cut it. I mean,
I'm trying to do this first, dang.
he's barely done it.
Yes,
I guess this is good.
serious face on.
How does it even
This
go,
is what
bro?
it's supposed to look like, guys. I don't know that we'll get that
How does
far.
it even go, bro? I'm guessing it goes like that. Whatever.
Can I do Santa meanwhile?
No, you cannot do nothing. Wow. Yikes.
I would say wait. Oh, while Santa's, you just put him in the wagon, so maybe she could do Santa meanwhile.
No. Just
And
wait.
let Justin do the little train and Fernando can do the
Just
big
wait.
train.
Just wait. Just calm down.
Guys,
Okay.
so they
I'm cutting with
have
these.
come to an agreement that Samantha's going to do Santa Claus. Justin's gonna do the little train, and then Fernando's gonna do the main train, which is the front one. You have to do Santa however you want, not how the picture says.
Yup.
But I want to see like an idea.
You don't know
Okay,
what's
you get a 2-second idea. Ready?
I didn't even see it. You
That's
saw
how
the
you
train. You saw the train only. You
Okay,
put
count
me in
count 2 seconds, you guys,
the- Okay, I count.
and tell me when to turn it back. Okay?
Okay. 1,
Okay.
2. You
I
kidding
saw
me.
him.
I didn't even see him.
You're supposed to be creative, Samantha, and color how Santa how you feel fits.
Look.
You can do a modern Santa. Oh, there's no blue on there.
Why can't it come out?
Did you cut the tip?
Are you supposed to? Oh yeah, it's closed.
Woohoo!
Can I get the scissors?
Why can't it come out? It's
Look
still
at
closed.
that.
Let me get that.
Look
Let me
at
get
that.
the scissors.
Look at that.
Good job. Told you could do it.
Can I get the scissors?
Oh, I know.
Can I
Fernando,
get
pass her the scissors or give her the scissors.
Oh, I'll pass you the scissors. That's not a
Say
problem.
give.
Pass. Oh, you don't want me to do
Does
this?
that happen to you guys when somebody tells you, "Can you pass me the cookie jar that's next to you?" and you literally just go, "Chew."
Just go.
Comment down below if you guys do that.
Mom, almost everybody does that.
Really? I don't know. My dad used to do that to us a lot when we were little. It was annoying.
How do
And
you
then
say-
I do it too.
How do you say pass in Spanish?
¿Me pasas el tapatío? Or
¿Me pasas el dinero?
sí, sí, te lo voy a pasar así.
Y lo voy a agarrar así. Oh, Nata, I needed the thing back. I told you that too.
I'm just
Nando.
finished.
¿Por qué eres tan corajudo?
Mom, why you like talk a lot?
You gotta speak Spanish so you can earn that moolah.
You didn't know? I know.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna do something.
Want to do
You're
something?
gonna do the little train right now, Justin.
Want to do something?
Lord.
Want to do something?
Okay, guys. So now they're trying to figure
Just
out
notice it go again.
how A and B
Oh my gosh.
part, which is yeah, that's
Whoa.
exactly what a train looks like.
Oh, you cracked it.
Boy. Boy.
Oh, you got it. He's smart.
Show them how it's done, Justin.
Oh, my bad.
Who else has done a gingerbread house?
Or
You guys, if you've done a gingerbread house, let us know. If it's been a house, a ginger tree, a holiday tree,
A
the
train
menu.
house.
What else was there?
Menu?
Menu one, or was it? There was all kinds of different ones
Yeah.
this year.
No,
No,
there was
I
a
know how
tree,
this goes.
there
Let
was
me
a
do
apple
this.
tree.
Let me do this.
There was
There's
a
Skittles ones. There's Starburst ones.
Just-
There's gummy ring candy ones. Skittles.
I don't care.
Gumdrops ones. Like, let us know what kind of gingerbread house you've done this so far.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you haven't, let us know which kind you're gonna be doing. But you have to glue it to the base clips now. So
Glue
you're
it?
supposed to put paste
No.
on it before you put that on there.
Nah. We're not ruining this.
Guys, look at my stand.
That's what it says on the instructions, Fernando.
Yeah.
Me and instructions. don't
Pipe
get along.
bottom and front edges of A and B with icing. Set each into 2 clips with the smooth side facing out.
My bad, Miss
Don't
Nerd.
waste too much red doing this. Okay? Using too much red, so we gotta use green.
You good for?
Well, we'll see how much progress they made in a couple minutes. Okay, you guys. So you guys missed out already.
You know,
Nana
record.
packed it.
Mr. Perfectionist over there. Show him what you did, Brando.
This thing is so retarded. And this is supposed to be all 4 bases. Why is it tight? And why did it crack because of the tightness? what this shit is.
Because if you guys know Fernando Perez Jr., he gets frustrated very quickly, has very little patience, so of course he forced it in there.
Nah,
And
this
those-
what
those
happened.
crackers are
This
broke.
material is cheap. That's what. You need to make sure everything is stale.
It's a gingerbread house. It's a
Apa.
cookie. I mean, it's a cookie.
Si estás mirando el video, dime si
I don't care.
si eso suena correcto, que no anda quebrada la galleta. Es bien desesperado. No, desesperado. Desesperado. Desesperado.
You could do
Se quebró la galleta.
Oh my gosh,
I don't care, cause
He's like, no les enseñes el lado quebrado. Ok, no les voy a
He's
enseñar.
like,
Me puse a grabar y enseñar qué es lo que hizo.
who cares? What is this? Like, what is this?
I haven't been
What is
doing
that?
this. I haven't did anything really.
It is not red.
Justin Alexander, you're about to eat those cookies. Stop coughing all up on those cookies.
I'm not eating this. I'm just doing it.
I'm gonna eat this.
Who really eats the gingerbread house after they
Nobody.
do it? No, huh?
No, Melissa ate it one time. She
Yeah?
ate it. She's Isabel said she ate it.
Yeah.
After they were done.
Melly or Sophie?
Cinnamon cookie. Melly.
Melly? Surprise.
It smells like a cinnamon cookie.
I think they should taste it. It's just that the fact that you guys are touching all up on them and putting all kinds of stuff on there, I don't know.
You kind of didn't wash your hands either. So.
I was scratching my butt and then I didn't
They're just kidding, guys. They didn't do all that. They didn't do all that.
all that. I'm not eating all
They're just lying.
Oh, the
Now Fernando's going to add the wheels.
And I'm gonna be
the-
making my train. Mom, I
Train.
can't make my train then. I can't make it. Okay. Don't make it.
My bad.
It's because of Samantha. You can take that off, Samantha. You can.
See what Mama has to deal with every day, guys.
It's not me. It's Samantha.
If you guys will ever notice, if you hang around me a lot, you know I zone people out. This is why. Because these 3 kids, I have to learn to zone them out. So then eventually I zone people out without meaning to zone people out. Because I'm so used to it.
What happened here? Damn. This shit falling apart.
I told you to put frosting all over
Oh,
this.
no, of course, mommy. No. The gingerbread man.
We really need the gingerbread.
I watched another video of another YouTuber do it too.
Well, that YouTuber sucks.
It fell apart too. They couldn't do it.
Everybody build a little car, whatever you call it.
Just do a fort.
I'm gonna go build one for now.
Ay, Dios mío.
Look at that. Mother, that's way too much frosting. And why are you painting his head? He don't have red hair.
He has a hat. He has a Christmas hat.
Okay, where's the little corner piece? Where are you gonna put the little hanging part?
Dot. The little dot. His little thing, fluffy thing.
The little dot. Are you dumb? You said a dot.
Mom,
Santa has a dot on his head?
Mom, can you tell Samantha to move that? Like, take it
Yeah,
off?
Samantha, you don't need this. Yeah.
Yes, stop.
Samantha,
He needs it
yeah.
to do the little cart
Where am I supposed to put this?
On the
on top of the plastic.
What if I make them there?
Or put it on top of the plastic.
That's why you're using a placemat.
This is hard.
It's just hard. It's just complaining.
So?
You guys, this is obviously not as fun as I think they thought it was because they are whining and
This
whining.
is boring.
Then why did you help? Yeah, exactly.
You can see your way out of it.
See my way out of it.
I'm just gonna go play
You
Fortnite.
don't see me? Yeah, you do.
Oh, wow.
You don't see me? You don't see? He's like,
Oh my gosh. That's what I needed.
what is?
Oh snap. I know, when is Junior gonna get here? You guys just want to go play Fortnite with him.
You don't even pay for that all these days.
Fernando has to go do his chores.
My stomach's hurting.
He's going to have no time for that.
Even if he tells you.
You'll probably never see this uploaded on YouTube.
I'm ready to decorate.
Hey! He's touching my butt. Decorate now.
What?
You guys, I hate to say it.
No, it's an F. Fail, 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 fail.
But this train, it's a fail.
Yeah, my Santa's not a fail though.
Hey!
At least I didn't
Smack
smack my Santa.
them.
Huh?
Oh, Justin. Don't.
Go ahead. You're too scared.
What happened, Justin?
They broke my whole thing.
That's you get.
Oh, don't try to cut me, cuz.
Hey!
Oh!
Alright, guys, so this is as far as the kids got. It's only like 4 hours later.
4 minutes later.
No, it's not that 4 minutes later. So, Sean, give it a little 360.
You can't give it 360. Did you forget it, crack?
Yeah.
360 on mine, guys, now.
Okay, put Santa Claus in there.
Justin's.
To mine because I did it.
Justin's.
Yeah, Santa spent the most time on this. Ooh, Santa looks nice.
Why are you lying, Mom?
Can I do the
Oh, you guys
giveaway?
didn't use this.
Oh, no. It's not the...
Okay, so the next thing is. Wait, did you guys enjoy this?
No, not the...
It was boring.
I like the Santa
I'm not
and the
doing this
thing.
ever. Again.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
I think it was
It was a
actually...
waste of money. So we are doing the
Giveaway! Can I do it?
Fran, Justin gets to hold it, and Nando gets to pick one out of it.
Okay, let me give
What
it
are
to
you gonna do? Now?
Make sure Fran's eyes are closed.
I'm gonna do it backwards too.
Okay, so
Let him.
There.
There?
Yeah.
You guys seen this?
only one.
Which one's the lucky one?
This one.
I know.
Right. Let's see.
Okay, now do 1,000.
No way!
Minyo, don't tell me.
No way!
Starts with the J.
Julia! Second time with the shirt! No.
On everything. What the heck?
What? How is this even possible?
You guys, comment down below
He's
if, you
a
guys-
large, right?
if we should do more giveaways with the Lit Family t-shirts.
He's a large, right, Mom?
I'm not sure.
Pretty sure he is.
Or medium. I think it's a medium.
I hope a size large fits you, because that's what we have. It's a size large coming your way.
We sold out.
Or you can gift it as a Christmas present.
Two.
To me.
You fit a large? No.
I'll feel large.
Give
Yeah,
it
the
a
night
junior.
when you
Give
sleep.
it a junior.
Exactly.
Give it a junior.
I'll wear it loose.
You took them from that. Alright.
What? What'd you say?
Nothing.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your post notifications. Peace.
We'll see you in the next video.
Video.
Peace.
Peace.
Or-